I was thinking that one day AI will take my job and it's going to happen sooner or later. So, what should I do to make myself future proof, or I would say AI proof? The way AI is evolving, what I'm predicting is that there is going to be agent for everything, and agents are going to do the work for us, not people, not laborers, but agents. Agents will be the specific AIs designed for specific tasks. For example, a design agent will be able to do design whatever the things you want it to design. And the jobs are at risk for those who are working on specifically on technology based things. So, for example, if designers are there, editors are there, if coders are there, they are the one having their jobs on the edge. It's not the worker on the field who will get replaced first, but it's the one who is working on the desk in the laptop, like me. They're going to be replaced by it. And we have to accept that change. We can't just say that, okay, this is not acceptable, it should not be happening, right? You can't stop the evolution. It is going to happen. So, what you can do is adapt to it. What you can do is focus on the next things that will make the big difference. And I'm talking about like in the upcoming few years, let's say maybe 3 or 4 years, the pace at which these things are moving. I'm assuming that okay, next 3 or 4 years, there's going to be a lot better AIs which will be doing a lot harder tasks than what just ChatGPT is doing right now. Now the question is, let's say when AI is able to do everything, what is left for us? And I don't know about AGI, like when there is some general intelligence who knows everything, who is able to decide everything on their own. That's a different phase. But the time we are in right now, what I'm able to see is that there is going to be a part where we are still be involved into it, right? And let me just give you an example. ChatGPT can write whatever the things you want it to write for you, right? Midjourney can create the visuals however you want it. But how it will create things? It only creates when you provide some instructions. So it's our instructions or our requirement that is being put into it, and that's based on that the AI generates the responses. So it's our inputs that's going to matter the most. And when I say input, I mean the taste and the judgment we are having right now. So we should be getting paid for our judgments of what to do, what not to do, what are the things to focus on. That's a specific skill set, having that judgment, having the ability to decide on what are the things that is good for certain organization or for certain community. That is going to be the power we will be holding. Speaking of which, if you are in the creative industry, which I am in by the way, so for a creative industry people, taste matters the most. Now, what I mean by taste, so in future you are going to have all the AI tools which will do the work for you, and then the power comes to those who has the capacity to decide on what to do. You have all the agents to do the work for you, but you have to decide what to build, you have to decide what to design. And that's where I'm more focused on that. Okay, this is the part where we will be having our opportunities. And I'm also inclined on understanding our likings and dislikings. The reason is you will be having 10 different options to choose from, and what are the specifics that you like, that is on to you to decide. So having the clear understanding of what you want, what the people around you want, what the organization wants, or what the world wants. Those are the things important that is going to be in our hand for certain period, because when AGI comes in, those things are also going to be replaced by and taken from us, right? And to sum up this video, what I would say is that taste, articulation, and judgment. That's the three things I would say I'm focusing on right now. Let me know what are the things you are focusing on to become AI proof version of yourself. That was my take on it. I thought this conversation needs to happen. So here's my take. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to join on this journey with me to become the AI proof version of ourselves, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.